Okay, good morning, children. Today topic is open organ pipe and closed organ pipe. This open organ pipe, closed organ pipe is very important topic in IP level 8 marks question. So listen carefully. So what is the open organ pipe? A cylindrical tube which is open at both ends are called as open organ pipes. If you take the one cylindrical tube or pipe, both ends are open, is called as a open organ pipe. Now when the sound wave, now this pipe is placed towards the source. Sound wave is entered into the one end and gets reflected from the another end due to the pressure difference. So therefore now it is having the same frequency, the sound wave is having the same frequency and same frequency and amplitude traveling. One is along the pipe direction, one is along the x-axis direction, another one is opposite direction, that is minus x-axis direction. So therefore here the longitudinal stationary waves are formed along the length of the pipe. So here the harmonics, the tone of some frequency which is the integral multiple of fundamental frequency is called as a harmonics. Overtone frequency is nothing but a frequency which is higher than the fundamental frequency, is nothing but a overtone frequency. Here these are here in the first mode. What happened? Now this is the pipe of length L. What is the length of the pipe? The length of the pipe is L. Here the total length of the pipe is what? L. L is the length of the pipe. So this pipe is placed toward the source. For example, this is the source of sound. Placed toward the source of sound. Here the sound wave is traveling along the length of the pipe and are reflecting back like this. This is entering sound wave and this is the reflected wave. So therefore in this two antinodes and one node is formed. Antinodes means where the vibration is maximum. Node means where the vibration is minimum. That is called as a node. Here this frequency here the distance between antinode to node is lambda by 4. Antinode to node is lambda by 4. So therefore lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 is equal to total length of the wire, total length of the not wire, that is a tube. So L is equal to lambda by 2. Lambda is equal to 2 into L. Now this here the frequency is equal to according to the V is equal to mu lambda, mu is equal to V by lambda, lambda is equal to 2L. So therefore mu1 is equal to V by 2L. This is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic frequency. Fundamental frequency, this frequency is called as a fundamental frequency or first harmonic frequency. And this frequency V by 2L is a fundamental frequency in the open pipe. Fundamental frequency in the open pipe. Now in the second mode what happens? Here the pipe is placed toward the source. Here the wave is traveling like this and here it is reflecting back. Here what happens? 3 antinodes and 2 nodes are formed. 3 antinodes and 2 nodes are formed here. Here one loop, extra loop is formed here. This is the complete loop is formed in between the in between two half loops. Here the total length of the total, there is no change in the total length of the pipe. So therefore the organic pipe, that is L, is equal to lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2 plus L is equal to 2 into lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, 2 into lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2. The total value is lambda. So therefore this is lambda 2 is equal to L. So therefore instead nu2 is equal to V by lambda 2, nu2 is equal to V by L. Multiplying with L, multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2, we can get V by 2L, 2 into V by 2L. Here the V by 2L is a fundamental frequency, that is nu2 is equal to 2 into nu1. That means this frequency is known as a second harmonic frequency and first overtone frequency. First overtone frequency in the open pipe. Similarly, in the third mode, here this is the pipe. There is no change in the length of the pipe. Here the two complete loops are formed. Here this is the entering wave and this is the reflecting wave. So therefore a reflecting wave. So here two complete loops is formed here. One complete one half two half loops is formed. So therefore L is equal to 2 into lambda by 4 plus 2 into lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 is 2 into lambda by 2. Lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 is 2 into lambda by 4. We can get 3 lambda by 2. Here the lambda is equal to 2 into L by 3. 2 into L by 3. So here the frequency nu3 is equal to V by lambda 3. Here the lambda 3 is equal to, this is the lambda 3, why, because in the third case the wavelength is lambda 3. Lambda 3 is equal to 2L by 3. Here the 2L by 3. Here the denominator by denominator is taken into the numerator. What happens? 3 into V by 2L. So V by 2L is known as a fundamental frequency. So therefore this frequency is known as a third harmonic frequency. 3 into fundamental frequency. So the third harmonic frequency or second overtone frequency. So in the open pipe, here the n harmonics are formed. If the n harmonics are formed, here the n1 minus 1 overtones. Now we can get the n1 minus 1 overtones. We can get. So in the open pipe, the harmonics is a integral multiple of fundamental frequency. Here the nu1, nu2, nu3 dash dash dash. Nu1 is V by 2L, nu2 is 2 into V by 2L, nu3 is equal to 3 into V by 2L dash dash dash. So therefore V by 2L cancel, we can get a 1:2:3. So therefore in the open pipe the frequency is equal to the ratio of the frequencies of the harmonics is 1:2:3.